Curtis Freeze is chairman of Prospect Asset Management in Tokyo. His Perma-Long funds topped the 558 Japan-focused funds that primarily invested in equities last year. His Prospect Japan fund returned 36%, the fourth best performer. Curtis, those numbers, pretty disappointing, don't you think?
Well, yeah, the market doesn't seem to be too bothered by it. I think we have turned the corner. The market's much more focused on corporate profits, which are doing very well. And then employment is finally looking to turn the corner.
I'm guessing that you're not disappointed as well, still maintaining that Japan's the market to be in this year.
Well, I do think so. I think Japan has a lot of cash on the balance sheet compared to other countries, U.S., Europe, elsewhere. Japan's in a position to buy when others can't afford to. Even financial institutions, Shinsei Aozora, now have their own options. If anything, Japan's come through this crisis pretty unscathed. There hasn't been a single financial institution bank gone bankrupt in Japan, whereas in the U.S., of course, there's been well over 100. I think, if anything, Japan's prepared to go shopping. I look at the Shiseido purchase of Bare Essentials. That's just the beginning. I think there'll be one transaction after another as Japanese corporates use the cash they've built up on their balance sheets.
But when you take a look at M&As, they've pretty much fallen apart. A lot have fallen apart. Take a look at Mitsubishi, Peugeot, Suntory, Kirin.
Well, those have, but there's others that are going through. As I mentioned, the Shiseido transaction. The trading houses have been very aggressive, very active in buying commodities. One of the best ways to get involved in the commodities globally is to buy Itochu or Mitsubishi Corp. They have cash and they are investing.